Okay, so I see another earthquake. Okay, and the thing is about earthquakes, they happen in some areas every single year. Okay, but when I see it, typically it could be something that's actually going to happen, like in the U.S. Or something like that. All right, but if they show it to me, I have to say it. Rather, it's general knowledge or not. Okay, so Spirit showed me an earthquake. Spirit showed me um, being parking. Well, that's irrelevant. I'm not going to say that part. Maybe I'll just post it in my story. But basically, when the earthquake came, I saw sunken cars. Excuse me. So basically, it hit so hard that I don't know.
Allahu Akbar! Allahu Akbar! Allahu Akbar! Allahu Akbar! Yani ben uyuyordum, eşim beni uyandırdı. Ama çok şiddetli diye korkunç bir depremdi tabii. Her taraftan ses geliyor. Bayağı da sürdü yani ben tahminen 2 dakika kadar sürdü.
But basically, when the earthquake came, I saw sunken cars. Sunken cars, excuse me. So basically, it hit so hard that I don't know. Some cars were going in. Let's see. Yeah. Who's that? I'll have to dig into that one a little bit more because this one I feel like can be prevented. Not necessarily the earthquake, but accidents happening. This one seems like you can kind of get away from something that can be prevented. Okay. Let's move on. But there's going to be big changes after this earthquake. So maybe it damages a lot of things, but there's going to be some changes after the earthquake happens. Let's see. Last but not least,